Hello everyone, this is teacher Rejil. The competency in this lesson is determine between what two integers the square root of a number is. First, let's talk about perfect squares. Do you know some numbers that are perfect squares? Some of them are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. I would advise that you memorize the numbers that are perfect squares at least from 1 to 200. But if you don't memorize them, just think about the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on, and square them. You will get perfect squares. For example, we take 1 and square it. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. This is the first perfect square we have on our list. And if we take 2 and square it, that means 2 times 2, that gives us 4. Then if we take 3 and square it, we get 9. If we take 4 and square it, we get 16. If we take 5 and square it, we get 25. If we take 6 and square it, we have 36, and so on. So knowing the perfect squares will help us address the competency we have mentioned so easily. Let's have example number 1. Between what two integers does square root of 33 lie? So our strategy here is to list down the perfect squares, and we should include a perfect square that is closest to 33 but less than 33, and we will also include a perfect square closest to 33 but greater than 33. Okay, so 33 lies between 25 and 36. Now we can make our notation. Okay, square root of 25 less than square root of 33 less than square root of 36. This means square root of 33 lies between the square root of 25 and the square root of 36. And now we know that the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 36 is 6. So this is our notation. 5 less than square root of 33 less than 6. This means square root of 33 lies between 5 and 6. Let's have another example. Between what two integers does square root of 157 lie? Okay, our strategy is to list down the perfect squares, including the one that is less than 157 but closest to 157, and the other one closest to 157 but greater than 157. So 157 lies between 144 and 169. Now we can make our notation. Square root of 144 less than square root of 157 less than square root of 169. Of course, we know that the square root of 144 is 12 and the square root of 169 is 13. So we can make this notation: 12 less than square root of 157 less than 13. So this means square root of 157 lies between 12 and 13. Now your turn. Tell between what two integers the square root of each number lies. Number 1, square root of 87. Number 2, square root of 201. Number 3, square root of 427. Okay, I would like you to pause the video and try answering these 3 questions. If you are done, I can now show you the answer. The answer for number 1 is between 9 and 10. For number 2, between 14 and 15. Number 3, between 20 and 21. Did you get the 3 items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.